welcome to another episode of Tapper Talks. I'm here with my good friend Mark, who's visiting from New York. And Mark, tell us a little bit about your stay at the Beach House Condos.
I've been coming here for over 20 years, and this is the place to go. It's right on the beach. Can't get any closer to the water unless you want to sleep in the water. People are great here, family run. Everybody knows everybody, and everybody is so friendly. The rooms are great, the food is amazing, and this is part of real Jamaica to get a sense of what it's like to just be part of the local vibe.
As Mark tells me, this is not the all-inclusive. This is experiencing real Jamaica, immersing yourself in the culture, and Mark's been doing this for many years. How many years?
Coming to Jamaica since the 1980s. First got interested in reggae music in the 70s, going to all the house parties and clubs in Little Queens, which is now Queens, New York.
Right.
Little Bob Marley, Jimmy Cliff, all the originals.
And folks, when you hear Mark say these things about the originals, you know, the Bob Marley folks, Mark lives it. Now, Mark, you've been around Sizzler. Just name a couple of the folks that you've met over the years.
My good friend Marigini was one of the original percussionists for Jimmy Cliff, and he still lives in Kingston. Just an amazing human being. I've met people from Third World, many different reggae groups over the years, and it's part of my vibe. You can't tell it by my lack of dreadlocks, but I love the music.
You know what, Mark? When I look at you, I see the dreadlocks. I see the dreadlocks, man. You know, folks. I've been talking to a lot of people about Jamaica, and it's a little treasure, you know. And I'm not saying that because I'm from Jamaica originally, but Jamaica has been one of the first melting pots in the world. I remember when I used to go to high school, when I used to go to Wilmer's, we had people from every walk of life. We didn't have any strife, it was just higher vibes, and a lot of people who come to our shores, they experience that. And Mark, he's been to the Blue Mountains, he's been to a lot of nook and cranny all over Jamaica, and has had a great time. Tell us about some of the places that you visited on your trips to Jamaica.
Some of the amazing places have been some of the original Rastafari compounds on top of the Blue Mountains. Count's original place in Kingston where reggae music really originated. We had a Kumina, one of the indigenous religions.
Kumina, folks, that is a real cultural heritage of Jamaica.
Maroon Village, Boston Bay. And my wife, her mother was born in Kingston.
Oh wow!
From part of the melting pot from England that came over. So it is an amazing country with so many different cultures, and everybody accepts everybody, and it's just a good vibe. Everybody likes to get along.
Yeah. That's the running theme, guys. Everyone that I've spoken to, that's the running theme. You know. Folks enjoy coming to a place where, I remember Cheers, you know, come to a place where everybody knows your name, you know, and everybody doesn't know your name in Jamaica, but you get that feel. It's like you meet someone, it's like you've known them for years.
This place, I had not been here in a number of years because of the shutdown and everything. I came back here, everybody is out here, tears in their eyes, hugging and greeting because they do remember.
Yeah,
we're a family. We've all been coming here for so long. And to have that experience, to just feel like you're back home.
And that's the Beach House Condo, Negril Jamaica. I mean, it's an awesome place. We're gonna feature the compound once we're done here, and show you guys all the amenities of the Beach House Condo. I mean, I've been blown away, and I haven't even been into one of the rooms as yet. Just the landscaping, the trees, the foliage, the birds, they're all right there. So, Mark, when does your trip end? When you go back to
Sadly, I leave on the 15th. I came down here to celebrate my birthday in the best place imaginable.
Happy birthday, brother.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. That is awesome. And have you booked your future vacation as yet?
I usually always come down around the end of the year to the New Year's, but I may start a new tradition of maybe February, March coming down. But I used to come down 2 or 3 weeks every year just to recharge the batteries, go back home to work.
Awesome. So Mark, you come in February. My birthday is February 3rd. And that's around Bob Marley's birthday. See?
I've been at the celebration at the Bob Marley compound in 2019.
That must have been awesome.
We were there. Oh, it was just, I mean,
powerful stuff.
It's powerful stuff because you're there and you feel.
I mean, he left a legacy, man. And, Bob Marley kind of channeled what the Jamaican people are all about. One love. Let's get together and feel all right. I mean, that just says it all right there.
There's one shirt that I have that says it all. It was made by some guy at the beach, and it said, one race, one love, human race. And it's like there are no differences. The only differences are in the small thinking of minds, and that causes problems. But that doesn't happen here.
That just segues into why I started Tapper Talks. Tapper Talks is all about connection, and there's so many good people in this world, and I wanted to highlight them, because, turn on the radio, you hear crazy, gloomy news about what people are doing, etc. And I just want to highlight, and highlight folks who want good, who want to see good, who want to change the world. Because if you want good and you go out there and do it, you're actually changing the world. Yes. That's what I love about what I'm doing. Just in my small way, just highlighting folks and highlighting that there are places where folks can live in harmony. Where there's no racial issues and there's no people just look at people for who they are. Your deeds matter more than what you look like, and that's what Tapper Talks is all about. And Mark, you are quintessential to this island, because you are one of the people that come here and immerse yourself in the culture, and we appreciate you. We love you, brother. Respect. So for Tapper Talks, we're here with Mark, signing off. Birthday boy.
One love.
One love. One love. God bless.
Respect, brother.
Respect, brother. We're here with Stacy.
I'm Stacy.
And she's the front desk extraordinaire
at the front desk at the
Beach House Condos.
Beach House Condos, yes.
And she's going to walk us through.
I'm going to try, yeah.
The rooms here.
Yeah. So this is one of our beautiful rooms. This is the jungle house. You have the treetop right there. And this is the lower jungle, we call it, That's a 1-bedroom right there, it's amazing. And this is the lower jungle. So come with me.
All right.
But, we have a fully furnished kitchen, you know. That's Sylvia right there, gorgeous Sylvia.
Hi, Sylvia.
Say hi. And, you know, so yeah, we have, it's fully furnished. We have a microwave, we have cups, plates, you know, everything that you'll need in your kitchen is right there.
Awesome.
Right here. Yeah, you know, pots and pans, you know, so we're, you know, blender, toaster, everything that you'll need.
So if someone comes to the Beach House Condos Negril, they will have everything at their disposal.
Everything at their disposal. Everything.
Okay.
You know, so you know, we want everybody to be very, very happy and comfortable. You know, so you buy what you want, you eat what you want. You know,
Awesome.
this is the a master bedroom. You know, you have your closet. You know, your safe. You know, that's very important.
Keeping all your valuables.
Oh yeah, that is very important. You know the bathroom right there. You know, you know, fully air conditioned. Okay. Yeah, so you know, it's lovely. The air conditioning works. You know,
Okay.
it's very, you know. So if you have any more questions, you don't really basically. Let's go this way.